TV or anything fun within limits. Ji? Quite often while watching television, watching the cricket, you know, when I feel I've earned it, when I've done enough exercise.
You do know that the glaze
is 40% less fattening than other flavors, and I think the people that work on the brand and on the product do bear that in mind. And I think in the future, there's going to be also different brands and more development bearing in mind, I think, the health and fitness area. Okay. It's not very different, but I think the idea behind the ad was a little bit of a fighting angle, where the competitors kind of, as you saw from the TVC, are fighting it out with each other. So they wanted a little bit of a slightly more street fighting kind of look to it. Otherwise, I don't think the look is that radically different. It's just a T-shirt and a pair of cargos. But I've got my knuckle protectors on, which is a bit different for our chips.
But Sarah's been encouraging us to experiment with new looks for Lay's.
Yeah, I'm very happy and excited. I think it's also, earlier, we'd be very careful to stick to the same hairstyle and the same look constantly I mean, we've been associated for a while now. So I'm very happy that, we can reinvent things. And I think the style of advertising also has become much more adventurous and open than it used to be, which is a sign of the times and also a sign of the willingness of the flavor, the company to adapt flavors and new things to go with the times. So that's great. It suits us both. Ji, please. No, I think pretty much from a finalist level. There's been a tremendous process involved, which I'm sure Deepika will tell you about much more than me. But this is not the first time I'm meeting the finalists. There's a lot of competitions that happen generally that I've been involved in various forms of media. And to be honest with you, this is the most honest one, in the sense that we've actually come across each other, the finalists and myself, 2-3 times. I've interviewed them before, we've done photo sessions before, we've spent time with each other and talked. I even know that, with the things they're interested in, and I remember my interactions with them much more. There's normally meet and greets that are pretty, I think the competition winners can often feel a little cheated. But I don't think these guys would, any of them would say that. I think Lay's has been, apart from financially very rewarding to them, I think they've also had a tremendous experience. So I think as brand ambassador, we've met each other at the right time. No, not really. It's just I haven't shot for a while, and I'm going to start shooting in May. So it's just, just before sorting it out, whatever it's going to be. Well, I think the idea behind it is to, create a competition where we cater to the unique Indian palate and come up with more and more exciting flavors, get an idea of what it is that people want by truly interacting with them, as is possible today. I think it's a unique and interactive competition, and the idea is to come up with exciting flavors and to do something new and innovative in the field of developing a taste for the brand. I think it's pretty obvious what it's about.
And doesn't it remind you of some of the older spots that you used to do for Lay's? So, Saif is getting the 4 winners to fight with each other.
Yeah.
And then in the end, you end up getting the chips. So to that extent, there's a little bit of
competition.
A little bit of competition,
yeah, sure.
and something new and yet something.
Saif, do you have to work out extra, especially here?
Oh.
Do you have to work out extra, especially after shooting for a Lay's commercial?
No, I wouldn't say that. Like I said, I think anything in excess is not a great idea. And no, I mean, obviously not work out extra, but I think working out is part of a healthy lifestyle. And also having a little bit of fun is part of a healthy lifestyle. You know.
And as Lay's says, no one can eat just one. So how do you resist the temptation to binge on Lay's?
I
all day?
don't. I yield to it and eat more than one. It's not.
And that's optimal, right? He eats in moderation, then he works out.
Right.
So that's a great combination.
I think we'll save that for the Agent Vinod press conference. Right now, if we stick as much as possible to Lay's, it'd be great.
सैफ, जब बात फाइट्स की हो रही है तो हम जानना चाहेंगे, जब आप फिल्मों में स्टंट्स करते हैं तो क्या आप खुद करते हैं या डू यू यूज अ बॉडी डबल?
Again, I mean, I think that's a question better answered on some other forum. But it's funny because it's hard to find a body double that looks like you. Quite often it's changing now, but I remember 10 years ago I did a really tricky stunt on a motorbike. But my duplicate was a very big, very dark guy. So I really didn't understand how and it looked very bad also. But that was a few years ago. We're looking right now, actually. Because it's good. Everybody, I mean, James Bond has a great body double. I met him. It makes for good cutting. But that's another conversation at another time. I don't know, probably one of the weakest and most gentle. Because I don't want to get beaten up. Yeah. Or youngest, maybe some child star. Or a girl. I'm not sure, maybe, baby Pinky or something. But what about him? I don't want to fight with him. He's a nice boy. See, it's a tricky thing because there's a lot in common between characters in films and brand placement, but I think you need to be intelligent, you need to be a little sensitive and not just go for either the money or the branding because it'll look very bad. So it has to fit correctly and be done intelligently. And certain things do suit. And it's tempting for a producer also to tie up and say, let's basically, get sponsored. But I think there's a big difference between an ad on TV, a TVC and film brand placement. If done intelligently, it can be very seamless and nice. But the idea of mixing the two up is not something that I would do. Well, I don't know. I think I've been fortunate like that. But you'd have to ask them. I don't want to sing my own praises, but I think we have a good fit together. I think we're both fun. I think we're interesting, and fun and interesting is pretty good. But maybe you should say that.
Yes, I think Saif is great. He's brand recognition. People see him and they associate him with Lay's. That's very important. But more importantly, I think he constantly reinvents himself. He stays cool with it, with the times, youthful, contemporary, aspirational, so he fits Lay's brand values to a T. So, it's a great relationship. And I think both keep renewing each other, and that's important.
Saif, what has your association been like with GUIDF? How would you take us through the journey?
Sorry, could you repeat the question?
Yeah, it's basically, would you just take us through your journey of GUIDF in terms of how has the campaign for you been like?
I don't know. It was an idea that I thought was exciting right from the inception. When we discussed it, I think generally in terms of advertising and in products, one in today's time is constantly looking for new ways and effective ways. But I really couldn't think of a more interactive and direct way of communicating with the consumer. It's so simple, and at the same time, I think especially brave and generous. So it makes, I think, great business sense on every level. It's, I think, generously rewarding to the contestants, and at the same time exciting and creative. And a lot of these guys, even these the 4 finalists who we've spoken to, I mean, they explained to me a little bit about what taste and flavor are all about. Balancing opposites, whether it's mango and the other extreme, and sugar and salt and sweet and sour, and things I didn't even know about food and taste. And it's really nice. I mean, it's not their main profession, so, I mean, to answer your question, I was told about it, I think, from the inception, which was how long ago?
We'll do about 10 months till the end
Yeah.
of it. So I guess about 6 months ago.
About 6 months ago, and I mean, I've been following it up ever since, and I think it's gone really well. Ji.
इन दिनों कई बॉलीवुड स्टार ट्विटर पे अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ शेयर कर रहे हैं, जैसे कि कहाँ वो शूट कर रहे हैं, कहाँ डिनर पे जा रहे हैं. तो क्या आप भी ऐसे सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट में भी यूज करेंगे ब्रांड को प्रमोट करने या फिर अपने आप को प्रमोट करने?
I'm not sure. To each their own. I think the internet is a remarkable thing from various many things, and a lot of people have access. I think every Indian has an access to at least one of the 3 main digital mediums. I know that as a film producer. But you are in the wrong press conference. You're talking to me about movies and my personal life and things like that, which I don't mind answering, but perhaps today we should stick to something else. But the point being here is, I think even advertising and film advertising and brand advertising has to recognize the internet. And of course, I'm sure there's tremendous internet presence, and interactivity is kind of synonymous with the internet, and that's the whole idea. I mean, I think because of the internet, an insane amount of possibilities have opened up concerning interactivity.
Seth, I don't know whether we told you, but Lay's is, has got a site on YouTube for
Sure.
Give Us Your Delicious Flavor. It's a little, it's a channel on YouTube that we're launching tonight. So
But
we're going to be on it.
I didn't know that, but
So
I'm
obviously
not
it's a medium.
surprised, but obviously it's a medium that any advertiser would look at, and so would I. Personally, I don't think so. Not for me.
Seth. And now we'll take up one final question.
I think Karina's got her own Divanapan for the Kurkure brand. She doesn't need me to give her Lays.
Maybe a snack in the Frito family together.
Sounds a bit naughty. Well, I think you should look at me, and I eat chips. So do as I do, have some fun as well. You lighten up. It's okay.
Thank you everybody, thank you. And thank you Deepika, and thank you Seth for joining us on stage. Thank you.
Okay, not bad, huh? But if I eat all these, then there'll be a mess. No? Would I have to hold them up? What do I do? Only for you. Okay? Okay, with this? No, it's okay. You don't want the bag? My t-shirt is cut off. I'm learning, boss. Like that. This. I can't believe I'm doing this pose. Somebody please censor me. Bas.
Thank you all. Thank you, Saif.
Done? Now what?
Yeah, that's
Done?
done. Yeah.
Okay. Can I go now, Anuja? I'm only asking you. Huh? Thank you, my dear.
Thank you so much,
ladies
Saif.
and gentlemen. Thank you. Thank you.
And thank you all. Now I invite and request our friends from the media to please kindly proceed for the high tea. And do try our 4 winning flavors. Thank you.